Today, I am talking about inspections and repairs. So when a buyer goes under contract on a home, they are typically given a time to inspect the home and the property. Unless it is specified differently in the contract, you're given 10 days to do any type of inspection that you see necessary. Some of the types of inspections that you can get are a home inspection, where the home inspector comes through and tries all of the systems. They go inside the attic, under the house if there's a crawl space, and they typically go on the roof. You can get a structural inspection by a structural engineer or a foundation company. You can have roof inspections, or even one that's typically taken care of is a termite inspection, where a termite company comes out and looks for any termites or wood destroying organisms, and those are usually required by your lender. After your inspection period ends, you have 24 hours to submit a TRR, or a treatments, repairs, and replacements. This is where you and the seller can negotiate until you come to an agreement, and you usually have about 7 days to make those negotiations, unless it's specified again as more in the contract. And then once the buyer and the seller agree to repairs, and up until closing, the seller is making those repairs, and they typically provide receipts or reports to the buyer to just show that the repairs have been done. And typically, I usually suggest that my buyers have a re-inspect. Usually inspectors will have one free re-inspection built into their pricing, where they'll come back out and just take a look at those repairs and replacements that you asked for within the contract, and just to make sure that they were done prior to closing. One of the hardest and sometimes the most dreaded parts of a contract is the inspection period, and that's what I'm talking about.